got the elevator. Do you want to take it?
It's
okay.
It's okay. Stairs okay. Yeah, I'm not too tired right now. I was lucky I got some sleep yesterday.
Oh, that's good.
But I only got sleep because I was so tired.
Yeah.
Because I wanted to walk around yesterday at night because I got in at 8 o'clock.
Oh, 8 o'clock.
And then I couldn't.
You couldn't sleep?
No, I couldn't. Like, I was so tired. I went onto the bed and I just slept.
That's okay.
Yeah. That's good. I have energy today now.
Yeah, you must get enough sleep.
Yeah, wow, this is nice.
And get energy.
This is crazy.
Yeah. Maybe you can take a photo of this. It shows this is the mountain city.
The sign?
Yeah.
Okay.
But now it's another photo.
It's okay. I have my camera filming
Yeah.
right now anyway.
Yeah.
But I'll take a picture too.
It's okay. Let me take a picture.
Yeah, sure.
It's very huge. Really.
This way?
Yeah. Yeah. Got it.
Thanks.
Got it. Very good.
Yeah, no, that's a nice picture.
Yeah, that's good. No, and that's the
Wow.
safe place, and that's the deep place. This place.
Wow.
Yeah, very huge. And there we got a lot of stores there.
Wow.
Oh, you
maybe-
like the lemon tea?
Yeah, we can do it. Are you thirsty? I'm not thirsty right now though.
Thirsty. Yeah, they got the lemon tea.
You know what? If we go to another electronics place, and it's not a big deal, I need to. Is there a translator thing that can translate? I don't know.
Translate.
A machine? No way.
Oh, machine. Translate machine. You want to buy it?
Yeah, maybe if there is one. I don't know. If there isn't one, then it's not a big deal.
Oh.
Maybe not. That's okay. Don't worry about it.
Translate. Oh, just translate. You because you don't know the people here what they talking
Yeah.
about.
Yeah, if I want to buy something, I can say, oh, okay, how much is it? And then, yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, if there is a machine. If there isn't, it's fine. It's not a big deal. I should have said it earlier.
Yeah, in the store maybe.
Yeah, next time.
Yeah, it's okay.
If I find one, next time. Yeah. Wow, this is nice.
Yeah, that's.
I can't imagine how busy it is on the weekend.
Yeah, small store everywhere.
Wow.
And this is saying you are in Chongqing.
Oh,
A lot of people take a photo of this.
Oh,
Want a
okay.
photo?
yeah, sure.
Yes, take a picture of this. It shows you are in Chongqing. Yeah.
But most of the people that see it, they don't read Chinese for
Yeah.
my friends.
Okay. You should sit there.
Sit?
Yeah.
Oh, stand?
No, just.
Oh, in
there.
here? Okay.
Yeah. This is the blanket that shows who is in Chongqing.
All right.
That's it. Yeah. That's you. You are in Chongqing.
Nice.
That's good. Perfect. Just like a little a market.
Yeah, no, it's nice.
Yeah.
It's very nice. Do you come here sometimes then to eat?
Yeah. I usually.
Usually? Oh, okay.
Yeah, usually come here. Yeah. A lot of food. Just
Is it
like,
every day is like this?
Yeah, every day.
Oh. They open around 4 o'clock and then they
Yeah.
close. Oh, it's like a night market.
Yeah, in the night.
Oh, I see. Oh.
And it's almost contact every place in Chongqing's in China's food.
Oh.
That's like Yunnan, Sichuan or something. Beijing. Everywhere. It's actually the local people's life, you know. When
That's
they get
nice.
off- Yeah, when they
Yeah.
go off, when they afterward they just go
Yeah.
to this supermarket to get some food.
Yeah, no, I think it's very nice. It's very, other than the job situation, I think everything else is good.
job.
The economy for China.
Yeah.
But everything, infrastructure is good.
Yeah.
Education is good. Everything is good. It's just the job situation. If there was more jobs, it'd be
Yeah.
better, or higher paying too, maybe for people.
That's
better.
it. But maybe it will get fixed one day.
Maybe.
I hope so.
Maybe. I think so.
Yeah.
It'll take some time though.
Yeah, it takes time.
Takes time.
Burger King. Maybe you got there.
We have so many.
Yeah.
I eat a lot of Burger King.
You ready?
Is it popular here?
Yeah, very popular.
Oh.
Just as the McDonald's, the KFC.
Okay.
That's it.
Not healthy though, right?
Yeah. But it's okay. You got the letters, the potato, the tomato slice. And at night, you got the pop here.
Okay.
Yeah. The music pop and the small pop, a lot of pop. That's a lot of young people will come
And
here.
this is still downtown, right?
Yeah, downtown.
The whole day we've been downtown.
Yeah, the whole
Oh,
place
wow.
is downtown.
It's so big.
Yeah,
Yeah, see, if I didn't have a guide, I don't even know where I'd go.
yeah,
So.
that's it. When I first come here, I usually get lost. Really.
But now you're an expert.
Yeah. I don't even know how to get out. Just be in a circle.
Maybe next time when I come to Chongqing, you're gonna be a millionaire
Oh,
from the tour guide. Tour
That's-
guide millionaire.
that's thanks.
I hope so.
Yeah.
You'll have a company, you'll have employees doing tour guide for
Oh, that's my dream.
you.
That's,
Brian's tour guide. Brian Chongqing tour guide.
that's my big dream. It's really cool. I do like this stuff. Have you ever seen it?
Yeah. Is it Pop Mart?
Yeah, top toy.
Is it La Bubu? Is it a long walk down?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, is it? No, it's not that long. Yeah, not that long. We're almost ready. And then we can down there. Yeah, it's very famous. Yeah, very famous. I'm very proud of it. Yeah, that's going up and going down. You didn't divide it.
It's not that bad. Yeah. It's better than the elevator.
Yeah. I think it's too crowded.
That's crazy. You're pushing
Yeah.
everyone in.
We need to wait a lot of time.
我们就是要从出口带了进去，听到了吧？电梯放下来，不要去等电梯，电梯让你放掉。不要去坐电梯车啊！电梯坐掉。
实验的，本天然的椰子水，明日双鱼汤，明日橙汁儿，欢迎品尝，欢迎购买。线上跟着热情正香，正椰奶跟菜果
快看！你该多长了？等你那个。
Not that crowded. Oh, it's not bad. Yeah, come out.
Wow, there's so many people.
Oh, you can see so many people here. That's good. See? Yeah. That is not crowded.
有船吗？9位，送检票口游船，马上买的马上。还有最后2班船，游船多少？最后2班了。
Yeah, that's all those stores. Also pretty for things.
Lots of people doing like videos.
Yeah, they just the live stream on people. Oh, this is very useful. Adama. Adama.
机场有限的游客，请到这边售票处购票登船，游船滚动出发，请抓紧时间。
That's a party thing. This is the most party thing.
游船即将出发，请抓紧时间。购票之后有工作人员通道，请抢购登船。坐游船的游客，请到里面指挥上大厅购票。
有奖不满转，送奖票口，马上登场。哦，有奖2加油，马上登场。
工作人员送到检票口。
坐游船吗？主要
欢迎将2加油还没有购票的旅客，请到工作人员购票咨询。
哦，有奖不满转。
送到检票口。
Everybody goes there. On that bridge, I couldn't even move. So. Yeah, just stay right there. My dog is my favorite.
23种天然香料融合起来，融合。
And the bridge is also the first floor is for the bar, second floor is for the shopping. Outside of the